Morning everyone. You see the snow falling down? See here, tiny white stuff is falling down. When we wake up this morning, it's already snowing. My surroundings here all are white. And the GoPro is ready, and we're gonna be out and rolling here soon as I'm done on my breakfast. Welcome to Marj Vlogs.
You don't see it now, too late. But you're going to see probably a little more when I get on the highway at a higher speed.
California, there was snow, but it's cold.
You're a tough girl, you can handle it.
Not yet. Like 50, 40, 50, 60 out there. It's still cold for me. Driver is concentrating driving, so I'm gonna turn this around so you guys can see in front of us. Trucks in the ditch.
A lot of big trucks though.
Yeah. Oh my. Looks like it's just happened. Look at guys. Oh. Double trailer.
Quite a few vehicles, cars and trucks moving too fast during that snowstorm. Fast.
Either trucks, trailers, or cars.
Yeah. Personal vehicles or commercial. I said, you can tell on the side of the road if the car went off the road, because even though if the car is not there, you can tell they towed the car away, or a big truck, because the ground is all disturbed. You'll see.
There's another one, oh. Camper. Oh my gosh. There's another one, guys. In a camper. No one took it.
The camper crashed first, and then the truck that was behind the camper braked out, hit his brakes,
There's another one.
crashed.
No, mine. No one took it. Not yet.
No.
More time. 30-minute break. Ang bilis pa naman mag 30-minute break here in the Flying J, North Platte, Nebraska. Oh my. Doing whatnot and everything. 30-minute break is just only when we do our stuff. Throwing our garbages, peeing, somebody's peeing. Oh, I thought somebody's peeing already. And go in the bathroom for in the store. Come on!
Well, you got your sunglasses on.
For essentials.
Your future's so bright, you gotta wear shades.
Yeah, I have a big eye bugs. It's not really cold like in Iowa. We're just living in Iowa already, so but temperature here is 40 to 50. It's so cold for me, so people wearing winter jacket. the driver is sleepy. So in this video, you're gonna see the different angles using our GoPro. I hope, and you know, with this help, I hope you enjoy and like this video. So give me a thumbs up if you do, and please subscribe. And please subscribe down there, Travel with Marj. It won't cost you anything, and I'd love to hear you back and love to have you back. So ring the bell and turn on your notifications for future videos. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe. Good night, everyone.